trong ngày thì cái này là 2,6 triệu cho hai người.
Alright guys, this is the pier to go to one of the island in Halong Bay. I'll be taking one of the big boats. The cost is 3.2 million dong for 2 people. There's no option for 1 people. So we're paying like 3.2 million. I'm going there to explore for 3 hours. On the way to board the big boat now. This is the surroundings. So it's a big boat that I've been renting for the next 3 hours. They will sell some traditional áo dài and the t-shirt as well as t-shirt for the babies. Going to have lunch here. The lunch is 300,000 dong for a buffet set meal. Alright guys, the boat has started to leave and I'm really excited. Wow. And this is the view from the boat. It's amazing guys. Wow. Look at this. It's a clear day. Hope it doesn't rain. We are moving like forward in this direction. And the chef is preparing the lunch while traveling. While the boat is traveling, that's the second level. Wow, amazing views guys from the top floor of the boats. This place reminds me of the Phi Islands back in Thailand, but this place is wider. Wow, look at that. Amazing, guys. Wow. Another view of the giant cave in front. There are some natural sound from it. And over there with the area where I came from, the road is heading in that direction. There are some more large, quite a cliff. You can do a day trip here from Hanoi to Halong Bay in just one day, or you can spend a night and one night at a hotel there. So just now I was at level 1, I climbed up here. Oh, it's a nice view. And friendly boat operator. Wow, look at the amazing views, guys. And over here another view, Halong Bay in Vietnam. Oh, that's a long boat. Alright, and the water is green. Beautiful, guys. Whoa. It's the paradise on earth. Oh, whoa, whoa. Wow. Right here, the food has arrived. This kind of fried fish or the braised fish, and I think this kind of fish cake. And over the right side, we have the shrimps or the prawns, and this one kind of lala soup, and we have the spring rolls. And there are more dishes. This chicken, and right in front of me are two cliff formation. They are very iconic of the Halong Bay. Now is the tasty vegetables, and all these dishes is just 300,000 a person. Beautiful. And they prepare the vest as well, safety vest. On the way to karting, guys. Wow, look at that. The scenery. Whoa. Wow. This is Halong Bay, guys, and right now kayaking. Look at the view. Wow. Ho ho. 这里的。Right. Alright guys, I'm now in the middle of Halong Bay doing some kayaking and very interesting guys indeed. Very beautiful. Hello. So that ends my trip in Halong Bay. The name of the boat is Feng Hang 05. I enjoy the kayaking in the beautiful scenery of Halong Bay. Beautiful scenery and boats here at the port departing for Halong Bay. There are many ships here, the boats, big boats in the distance. And over there they sell some clothing. It's now 5 p.m. This is the area where we bought the tickets earlier in front. There's a cafe at the left side. And selling some high-end souvenir jewelry in front of shops. If you join the tour group, there will be the limousine to fetch the customers from the port, Halong, back to their hotels. It's now 5:15 p.m. and there are many guests waiting to go back their hotels and by the limousines.